Hi everyone, I am Sairish.
And I am Jack,
And
and welcome to Learn with Jesse. We hope that this video finds you well. In this video, we are going to have a brief discussion that focuses on curriculum development process.
This discussion has the learning objective, which is to explain and summarize the curriculum development process. To begin with, let us first define what curriculum development is. Curriculum development is a dynamic process involving many different people and procedures. Development connotes changes, which is systematic. Change for the better means alteration, modification, or improvement of existing condition.
Additionally, curriculum development refers to the process of designing and creating an educational curriculum. A curriculum is a plan that outlines what students will learn, the sequence on which they will learn, and how their learning will be assessed.
Curriculum development process involves four phases, and these are curriculum planning, curriculum designing, curriculum implementing, and curriculum evaluating. Let us further discuss each of the phases. Let us first have the curriculum planning. Curriculum planning considers the school vision, mission, and goals. It includes the philosophy or strong education belief of the school. All of this will eventually be translated to classroom desired learning outcomes for the learners.
It is also said that curriculum planning is a vital component of curriculum development. It involves the systematic process of designing an overall framework for an educational curriculum, including the organization, sequencing, and allocation of instructional content and activities. Curriculum planning provides a roadmap where teachers and educators are guided to their instructional practices and ensures the effective delivery of the curriculum. The next phase is curriculum designing. Curriculum designing is the way curriculum is conceptualized to include the selection and organization of content, the selection and organization of learning experiences and activities, and the selection of the assessment procedures and tools to measure achieved learning outcomes. A curriculum design will also include the resources to be utilized and the statement of the intended learning outcomes.
Curriculum designing is the process of creating a detailed plan for an educational curriculum. It involves translating the goals, objectives, and the content requirements into a comprehensive framework that guides teaching and learning activities. It provides a structured and coherent learning experience for students, ensuring that the curriculum effectively meets the educational needs and goals. The third phase is curriculum implementing. Curriculum implementing in the classroom setting or the learning environment. The teacher, who is the facilitator of learning, leads in putting into action plan which is based on the curriculum design. Together with the learners, the curriculum design guides what will transpire in the classroom with the end in view of achieving the intended learning outcomes.
In other words, curriculum implementation refers to the process of putting a designed curriculum into action in the classroom or educational setting. It involves translating the curriculum plan into actual teaching and learning activities, delivering instruction, and engaging students in the learning process. Effective curriculum implementation ensures that the intended curriculum is successfully executed and that the students have meaningful and productive learning experiences. Finally, the fourth phase is curriculum evaluating. Curriculum evaluating determines the extent to which the desired outcomes have been achieved. This procedure is ongoing as in finding out the progress of the learning, or what we call the formative assessment, or the mastery of learning, or summative assessment in other words.
It is the process of assessing the effectiveness, relevance, and the overall quality of a curriculum. It involves gathering data and evidences to determine whether the curriculum is achieving its intended goals, meeting the needs of the learners, and aligning with educational standards and expectations. Curriculum evaluation provides insights into the strengths and weaknesses of the curriculum. informs decision-making for improvements, and ensures ongoing quality assurance.
We should bear in mind that curriculum development is often considered as a cyclical process. This is because it involves continuous feedback, reflection, and improvement. By embracing a cyclical approach to curriculum development, education systems can continuously improve the quality, relevance, and effectiveness of the curricula.
It enables curriculum developers to be responsive to changing needs, incorporate feedback, and create a curriculum that supports a meaningful and impactful learning experiences for students.
And that concludes our discussion for today.
And see you on our next discussion. Have a good one!